I'm gonna mess these names up. Agaricus blase mushroom. Now, if you use code Hayden10, you will get 10% off your purchase. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name's Hayden and we're diving straight in. We got something out of the ordinary today. We're gonna try out some beverages. Now, the brand that we're looking at and the products that we're looking at, I did not pay for out of my own money. The company did reach out to me and asked me if I was interested in trying them out. Obviously I said yes, because we are here right now. But even though I did not pay for the product, I always give my honest thoughts and opinions based on our first impressions. Now, the brand that we are looking at today, and I do have the website open so I don't get anything wrong, is, and I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly, Adaptolatte or Adaptolatte. I'll put the name down the bottom. Now, what it is, I'd never heard of them before. When they reached out to me, I had to look into the product, and which swayed me to say yes. It is 100% natural, boosts focus, raises energy, builds immunity, stress relieving, organic blend, 5-star reviews, and 100% vegan. It is a daily routine made easy. 1 cup a day, every day. Adaptolatte delivers the most potent blend of functional mushrooms, adaptogens, and nootropics in Australia. The mushroom coffee benefits are unmatched. Just mix 1 serving with hot or cold water or plant-based milk and enjoy a delicious hot chocolate blend. With 14 natural functional mushrooms, adaptogens, and nootropics, Adaptolatte's ingredients are known to boost energy and focus without crashes or jitters, relieve stress, enhance brain function, and boost immunity. Key benefits of mushroom coffee. Natural ingredients, which are rigorously tested. Now, I won't go through every single one of them because there are quite a few. I'll just list them. Lion's mane mushroom, cordyceps mushroom, reishi mushroom, chaga mushroom. I'm gonna mess these names up. Agaricus blase mushroom, astragalus root, turmeric, matcha. Oh my gosh. Bacopa monnieri, shilajit, ginkgo, L-theanine, rhodiola, coffee extract, cocoa powder, and ceremonial matcha powder. Adaptolatte also contains more vitamin C than 1 tomato, more vitamin B1 than 2 cups of oatmeal, more vitamin B2 than a handful of almonds, more vitamin B3 than a cup of brown rice, more vitamin B6 than 1 banana, and more vitamin B12 than 1 kilo of seaweed. Interesting. But what is Adaptolatte? It is a premium wellness blend that combines 14 functional organic mushrooms, adaptogens, and nootropics at carefully chosen doses to support calm energy, focus, and overall well-being. Available in original, coffee and cocoa, decaf, and matcha varieties, each blend is crafted to deliver the benefits of mushrooms and botanicals in a smooth, enjoyable latte-style drink. Our ingredients are rooted in Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine and are thought to help the body cope with stress, support long-term cognitive and brain function, and strengthen immunity. A nootropic is a natural substance believed to enhance mental performance, memory, creativity, and mood. Sign me up. At Adaptolatte, we use only 100% natural nootropics and adaptogens to provide balanced, crash-free energy and focus. By combining these ingredients at optimal levels, Adaptolatte delivers a powerful synergy for both mind and body without the jitters or energy crashes like it said before. I have the package right here, and I will try to find how much it costs for the product associated. The first item is the matcha. Now, they were very generous to send me over the things that they've sent me. 360 grams of matcha. It is $87.99 Australian dollars. We also have the chocolate flavor, 360 grams, which is also $87.99 Australian dollars. The last one that they've sent me is the decaffeinated chocolate flavour. Also $87.99 Australian dollars, 360 grams. Now, if you use code Hayden10, you will get 10% off your purchase. The other items that they were kind enough to send my way, we have a whisk, electric whisk, a reusable metal, I'm assuming insulated, with a sipper at the top, coffee cup. Now it actually says on the website, every pouch comes with its own scooper. I can feel it in here. Every single one of these is sugar-free. It is available on a subscription, or you could do a one-time purchase for whichever one that you wish. It does recommend 1 serving a day to get you started if you're not used to it. A single 12-gram serving is a great place to start. And how do I take it? You can mix it with almost anything. Most customers love to experience Adaptolatte by adding a 12-gram serving to water, hot or cold, or milk is optional. Someone has actually asked, does this get you high? No, these mushrooms aren't psychoactive. They are purely functional and not psychedelic. We're gonna try out, now I am not a big fan of matcha, so we're probably not gonna try that one. I'm gonna try the mocha, the chocolate flavor. It comes with a peel and seal Ziploc. We'll see what it smells like. See if it's a very strong scent of chocolate. Oh, that smells good. That smells like fresh chocolate chip muffins. And here is the scooper that it comes with. Now, obviously it's got a lot of product stuck in it, but it comes with its own little scooper, long-handled. I wonder if one scoop is 12 grams. We're gonna give this a whirl. Now, I am going to try out the wand, the whisking wand, and we're gonna mix it with milk, with some soy milk. I've got my soy milk. I washed out the cup to make sure it was nice and clean. We're gonna whip this out and see if it's got any charge. Hopefully it does. Here is the whisk. It did actually come with some charge already in it. This was everything that was in there. There is a spare whisk and the charging cable and the manual. Let's go for 1 scoop. We'll do the little whisk. It's a little awkward to hold. If only you could smell this. It smells so rich in chocolate. And this head it easily pops off from the little clip right here. So I've got it blended. It smells great, but does it taste any good? Honestly, all I can taste is the soy milk. I'm wondering if the serving is 1 scoop or it's more. It's not. So it says right on the back, more for me for not checking. Add 3 scoops, which is 12 grams of course it's 12 grams, as if that little scoop is gonna be 12 grams. In a memento. Let's try that again. Take 2. You can see it's much darker on the inside. The scent is a lot stronger. That's good. That is very rich, chocolatey, very smooth velvet. I can't really taste any aftertaste of mushroom. Obviously, you're not supposed to be able to. We're gonna have to do an over time of use to see if it's got if I notice any medicinal benefits from it. But as it stands, this tastes fantastic. I don't have any grit or chalkiness. There's no bitterness afterwards. There's no sediment in it. The whisk really helped disperse up that powder. I'm gonna have to say that this is a win for me. I am definitely going to be trying these out. Maybe even might try out the matcha, who knows. If you are interested in checking this out for yourself, I will link it all down below. And if you do check it out, or if you've tried it before, let me know your experience. Have you had any medicinal benefits from using this over time? I thought it only fair to try it with the other 2 options. We got the hot water variation and then the cold water. So we've got a different angle. I got to the end of it and I was like, I need to actually try it with the hot water. That's actually quite hot. And then the cold water. We've done the plant-based milk, the soy milk. Not a favorite. This one's the hot. The milk is definitely better. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure you do all the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned.